Arjuna. Hiding Arjuna is the most difficult thing because he is Arjuna also he got his name from a tree. There is a tree called Arjuna tree. Yeah, the color, the way he looks. Tree is huge, right? It is this much. It's very tall. The tree was in India, like it was found in India. It's a very famous tree. You get the reference of this tree in Ramayana also. In Ramayana, Valmiki explains the landscape of places, like wherever this Rama and they go for Vanavasa, right? He gives a great detail of that particular landscape and the kind of trees that are available there. Arjuna is one of the tree. Arjuna tree, and his color, his skin color, his stature, he's so huge, he's humongous, he's big. the, the qualities of Arjuna are very striking, the physical features of Arjuna. Yeah, tell me please. Okay. So now it is the turn of Arjuna. So Arjuna's physical features are like, he's called as Ajanubahu. Only few people are known with that kind of name. One of them is Rama, Sri Rama, one is Arjuna, and the other is Sri Krishna. Ajanubahu means someone whose hands are until his knees. Yeah. His hands are, see, if I keep my hand like this, it is barely until here. My knee is here. Right? You can, when you stand up, you can also test how long your hands are. Okay? So, no, now you don't stand, please. Yeah, sit properly. I think you're not able to, nik place led anukunta, ikkada vachi koocho comfortable. Ikkada vachi koocho. Yeah. So Arjuna is Ajanubahu. So the minute you see Arjuna, there are very few people with that kind of physical features, right? So the minute you see Arjuna, you will know that, oh my God, what is this personality? Who's that coming? So hiding Arjuna is a very, very difficult thing. And the whatever curse he had got from Urvashi comes into play now, comes for his use now. So he can cover himself with that kind of female features. So it's no brainer. Everybody knows that he is going to become a transgender for the next 1 year, and he is going to teach dancing and music to princesses. Don't laugh, guys. What is so? No, it's weird to think about him teaching dance. Correct. Because if you have to hide that kind of radiance, that kind of personality, you have to find something, you have to do something that is exactly opposite to the qualities of Arjuna himself. So what is opposite to him? He has never danced in his life. Nobody would imagine at that point of time that Arjuna can dance or sing. He was always seen with his Gandiva, and the minute you pull that Gandiva, release it, the sound itself is going to deafen people with weak heart. Yeah, there were instances where people fell unconscious hearing the sound of Gandiva itself. So that is how powerful Arjuna is. And if you have to hide Arjuna, how are you going to hide Arjuna? You can't put him in a dark room for 1 year. That's not a possibility. So he has to be in the public, but not as Arjuna, as something else. So the only way you can hide Arjuna is by putting him into something like this, something of this nature. Okay? And now, he is taking the name of Bruhannala. Now, can you repeat, can you tell me? I will pick and choose, okay? Shresht, can you tell me the name of Dharmaraja? Kankabatta. Kankubatta. Kunka gadu. Kunkabatta. It's Kankabatta. Kunka has a different name in Telugu, and that's why we are laughing. We are not laughing at you. Kunka has a different name. Someone who is very notorious and behaving like you, we call them as Kunka. Yeah. Okay. Now, Reyansh, can you tell me the name of Bhima? Huh? What?
He said he has to lock in.
Lock in whom? Yeah. Valaludu. Okay. And what is Arjuna's name? No, Bruhada kaadu. Bruhadaspudu ani inko kaina unnadu. Bruhannala. Okay, Kankubatta, Valala, Bruhannala. Because the next entire Agnatavasa, I am not going to refer to them as Dharmaraja, Bhima and Arjuna. I'm going to use these names and you should remember, you should recognize who I'm talking about. Okay?